हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपने न्यूट्रोफिल तक नोट्स लिखे थे। इसके आगे के नोट्स देखो, ये न्यूट्रोफिल वाला ही पॉइंट है। These are called polymorphs or polymorphonuclear leukocytes. It stains with neutral dyes. Constitute 10% of total WBCs. These are phagocytic in function. It is multinucleated. Second, eosinophil. The cytoplasm of these cells stained with acidic dyes such as eosin. Nucleus is bilobe. Constitute about 3% of total WBCs. These are non-phagocytic and involve in allergic reaction. ये उसकी डायग्राम। नेक्स्ट, बेसोफिल. These stains with basic dyes. Nucleus is twisted. Constitute about 0.5% of total WBCs. These are non-phagocytic. It releases heparin and histamine. Involve in inflammatory and allergic reaction. ये डायग्राम। नेक्स्ट, agranulocytes. Absence of granule in the cytoplasm is known as agranulocytes. Nucleus is not twisted. Nucleus is not lobe. They are classified into two parts: monocytes, lymphocytes. First, monocytes. These are largest WBC and show kidney-shaped nucleus. They are phagocytic in function. At the site of infection, monocytes enlarge and differentiate into macrophages, which engulf microorganisms. Hence, they are called as scavengers. About 1 to 3% of total WBCs. Second, lymphocytes. It is a large round nucleus. They constitute about 30% of total WBCs. They produce antibodies and involve in immunoresponse. Platelets. Thrombocytes. These are non-nucleated, rounded and biconcave. Smallest element of blood and has 3.5 to 5 micrometer in diameter. Lifespan is about 5 to 10 days. Thrombocytes are fragmented from megakaryocytes. Increase in number of thrombocytes called thrombocytosis. Thrombocytosis. Decrease in number of thrombocytes are called as thrombocytopenia. Formation of thrombocytes called thrombopoiesis. Thrombocytes help in blood clotting, blood coagulation. Blood coagulation. Soluble blood protein fibrinogen dissolved in plasma is changed due to change into fibrous protein fibrin. The conversion of liquid blood into semi-solid jelly is called as blood coagulation or clotting. The blood coagulation involves various factors. Number A, at the place of injury produces thromboplastin. Under the influence of prothrombinase, phospholipids and calcium ions and anti-hemophilic factor works. Prothrombin and heparin, this chemical produced by liver under the influence of thromboplastin and prothrombin get converted into active thrombin. Thrombin in presence of calcium ions act on fibrinogen and convert it into fibrin. Fibrin now help to form clot. The normal clotting time is 2 to 8 minutes. Function of blood. Number 1, supply of O2. Blood carries oxygen from lungs to tissue and CO2 from tissue to lungs. Prevent desiccation. Through blood, water, that is plasma, supplied to different tissue of body. It does not allow tissue to dry off. Third, distribution of food. It transport digested food from alimentary canal to all body cell. Transport of other substances. The blood carries hormones, enzymes from point of production to body parts where they needed. Protect the body from infections. WBCs, leukocytes protect the body from various diseases by destroying the disease causing germs. 6. Removal of waste matter produced during metabolic process are carried by blood and eliminated through respective organs. 7. Formation of clots. The formation of blood clot prevents the loss of blood from the injured tissue. Number 8. Storage function. Blood functions as a source of water, protein, glucose, sodium and potassium ions. The substances are taken from the blood during conditions like starvation, fluid loss and electrolyte loss, etc. Prothrombin, thromboplastin, AHF, calcium ions, phospholipids, prothrombinase. Active thrombin act upon in the presence of calcium ions. Fibrinogen, protein present in the plasma of blood. Conversion, fibrin, network fiber. Platelet, clot, seal the wound.